Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
According to Section 361 IPC, kidnapping from lawful guardianship, that is, taking away a boy less than 16 years of age, or taking away or abducting a girl less than 18 years of age from the guardian without the consent of the guardian is kidnapping. 363 IPC. Punishment for 361 IPC, that is punishment of abduction of a girl less than 18 years or a boy less than 16 years, can be up to 7 years of imprisonment and fine. 362 IPC. 362 IPC defines abduction as taking away of a person by either force or deceitful means is abduction according to 362 IPC. These
thank you and thank you for watching.